Welcome back, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of udon, a beloved Japanese noodle dish that has captured the hearts and taste buds of people around the globe. But hold on tight because we have some fascinating unknown facts about udon that will leave you craving for more. Let's get slurping. Udon is a classic Japanese noodle dish that has a rich history. Did you know that the origins of udon can be traced back over 1,000 years? Udon noodles were introduced to Japan during the Nara period in the 8th century, originally brought from China. Over time, the Japanese embraced udon as their own, developing unique styles and flavors. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, let's explore another unknown fact about udon. While udon is often enjoyed in a savory broth with various toppings, did you know that udon can also be enjoyed in a completely different way? In this refreshing variation, the cooked udon noodles are chilled and served on a bamboo tray, accompanied by a dipping sauce. It's perfect for hot summer days and provides a unique dining experience. Now, let's talk about the heart and soul of udon, the broth. The flavor of the broth plays a crucial role in making udon truly special. Udon broth is typically made by simmering ingredients like bonito flakes, kombu seaweed, and sometimes dried shiitake mushrooms. This slow cooking process extracts all the umami flavors, creating a rich and flavorful base for the noodles. And there you have it, a steaming bowl of udon ready to be savored. But before we wrap up, here's one more exciting unknown fact about udon. Did you know that udon has its own museum? Yes, you heard it right. The Udon Museum, located in Kagawa Prefecture, Japan, is dedicated to showcasing the history, culture, and artistry of udon noodles. It's a must-visit for any udon enthusiast. That wraps up our journey through the fascinating world of udon and its incredible unknown facts. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed sharing these tidbits with you. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our tasty adventures and intriguing food facts. Until next time, happy slurping!